The next phase of your campaign is very crucial. Here you have to take the multiple decisions by keeping in mind your audience and the business. So let us continue designing of our search campaign. After pressing the button continues, this is the workflow of your campaign. As per the structure of Google Ads, first we have to make the campaign settings, then we will go for ad groups. After that we will create our ads and finally the confirmation. This workflow is strictly as per the Google Ads account layers that we have just discussed in the previous video. By following the campaign structure, let us first make the campaign settings. In the general settings, it's a type of the campaign that we have selected. It's search campaign. Next we have to enter our campaign name, say MBA admission. Next we have the networks. It simply means that where do you want to show your text ads. Here we have two networks, search network and display networks. Here it is very important to make the decision about the network. Let me explain what these networks are. First, search network. In this type, your ad can appear in Google search results and other Google sites where people are searching for the term that are relevant to your keywords. You will set these keywords during the campaign. We have one additional option here to include the Google search partners. What does it mean? Google search partners are the site in the search network that partner with the Google to show ads on their search results. Search partners extend the reach of Google search ads to hundreds of non-Google websites as well. Google search partners are the sites in the search network that partner with the Google to show ads on their search results. Search partners extend the reach of Google search ads to hundreds of non-Google websites as well as to the YouTube and other Google sites. In simple words, if you check this option, your ad will be eligible to show not only on Google search page result but also on other non-Google websites where people search for the information or product. Next we have the display network. Don't think that your ads will be displayed only on the search engines. The Google Display Network expands your reach by showing ads to the relevant customers as they browse sites, videos and apps across the internet, not just search for information. If you want to show your ads only to the search engine, then uncheck this option, otherwise let it be checked. Next we have few more settings like start and end date. It is self-explanatory. You can start your campaign immediately or schedule it for future. You can also set the end date of your campaign. I will explain campaign URL option and dynamic search ad settings at an appropriate time. Just leave them as it is. Next we have the most important setting of our campaign, and that is target and audience. First we have the location. We have to select the location in which we want to target the audience. We have different options available here. By default it is set to India, but let me talk about other options as well. If your audience is not specific to any country or city, then you can select all countries and territories. But choose this option very carefully as you may be ending up your campaign budget very soon. You can further select very specific location in which you want to show your ads just by searching that city or the area. For example, I want to show my ads only in Chandigarh. Then I can search for it and select it. It also shows me that reach of that location. What is reach? This is very important. Reach is an estimate of how many people are in or interested in the location you selected. It's based on the number of signed in users visiting the Google sites. For Chandigarh, it is 11 million. I am surprised here the population of Chandigarh is around 10 lakh. Then why it is showing me 11 million? Go back to the definition of location. The important point here is that location doesn't mean that how many people live in that area, but also include how many people are interested in that location as well. That is why this number is way beyond the actual population of the Chandigarh. Same thing is applicable to all other locations as well. You can enter the multiple locations by using this option. For example, I can add New Delhi as well. There are advanced search options available as well, which give you more flexibility to select the location. Let us see what those are. Click Advanced Search option. By default, it is set to location. It has the same meaning that you can enter any or multiple locations by searching for them. Suppose I want to add Chennai as new location. Just search for it, select it, and it is added. Let me remove your location from our campaign. Now the second option is very useful. Instead of selecting a particular location, if you want to target the audience on the basis of radius with respect to a particular location, you can use this option. Let me show you from the scratch. Select the location. Now your target audience is 20 miles around the selected location. If you want, you can change the unit from miles to kilometers. You can do that also. Save the location. Let us change our location back to India. If you want to target your audience more precisely, then you can use the advanced options for location selection. Let them default, but let me briefly explain them. Under target, first we have people in or who show interest in your targeted location. It means your ad is eligible to be shown who are living in this location and are interested in this location. Second option is people in or regularly in your targeted location. That means ads are eligible to be shown who are living in this location only. The third option, people searching for your targeted location. That means your ad is eligible to be shown to those people only who are just searching for your targeted location, like the tourist. If you want to exclude the selected location, then let it be default. Next, we have the setting related to the language. Select the language your customers speak. Google detects the language from the browser settings and behavior of the user. By default, it is English. But you can add Hindi and other local language to target the audience. So we have just initiated the designing of our search campaigns. I hope things are simple to understand. So we will continue learning more about the search campaigns in the next video. Just join me. Thank you.